Welcome back to Drone News UK, your weekly roundup of the biggest drone developments and UK flight safety updates. Here's this week's top stories. The Insta360 launches its first ever drone, the Antigravity A1, with 8K video and 360-degree capture. Autel officially exits the consumer drone market. Black Hawks will soon be launching drones mid-flight. And DZYNE rolls out its Dronebuster counter-drone upgrade. Insta360, famous for its 360 action cameras, has officially entered the drone market with the Antigravity A1. This sub 249 gram drone can record 8K video at 360 degrees and works with the Insta360's new vision goggles for head-tracked immersive flight. It even supports gesture controls, making it one of the most beginner-friendly drones to date. Reviewers that tested it said they captured usable 360-degree footage within 5 minutes of flying. The Antigravity A1 is clearly aimed at content creators and vloggers who want to add cinematic, immersive perspectives to their projects. It is lightweight, portable, and can make 360 aerial storytelling much more accessible. Next, in a surprising move, Autel Robotics has officially announced to exit from the consumer drone market. The company is discontinuing both the EVO Nano and the EVO Lite series, and support and repairs will continue for a few years. All services will completely end by 2030. This marks a major shake-up for consumers, as Autel was one of the few real competitors to DJI in the lightweight drone category. For hobbyists, this means fewer alternatives to DJI, and for the existing Autel owners, it's a reminder to think ahead about long-term support. It's another sign of how competitive and tough the consumer drone industry has become. Over in the US, the Army has announced a new capability for its Black Hawk helicopters. Thanks to a $40 million contract with Sikorsky, Black Hawks will soon be able to launch drones in mid-air without needing to land. The rollout is planned for 2026 and will effectively turn Black Hawks into airborne drone carriers, deploying UAVs for surveillance and recon missions directly from the sky. This upgrade shows how drones are no longer just standalone tools. They're becoming a fully integrated part of wider military platforms. And finally, DZYNE Technologies has announced a major upgrade program for its widely used Dronebuster Block 4 counter-UAS system. The new power-up program will let military and law enforcement users upgrade their existing hardware to the latest detection and disruption technology, without needing to buy brand new systems. The Dronebuster is already in use worldwide to disable hostile drones, and this affordable upgrade means that it will stay ahead of evolving UAV threats for years to come. It's a timely development as drone warfare and rogue UAV incidents continue to rise globally. Now for this week's UK flight safety update. There's no new no-fly zones or temporary NOTAMs announced this week. But always remember to keep at least 50 metres horizontal distance from people and property. Check DroneScene app or CAA portal for live updates. And stay aware that local major events can trigger short-term restrictions, as flying responsibly keeps the skies open for everyone. And now it's time for our photo of the week. And this week's photo comes from Daniel Spence at Daniel J. Spence, who captured this amazing shot off the coast of Dorset last week. If you want your photo to be featured in the next episode, send your best drone photo to josh@dronesales.co.uk, and don't forget to include your name and location. And that wraps up episode 2 of Drone News UK. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and send us your drone photos for a chance to be featured next week. Thanks for watching, fly safe, and we'll see you in episode 3.